Liquid carbon as a new carbon material with its high fixed carbon, high specific resistance, high chemical activity, low ash content, low aluminium, low sulfur, low phosphorus characteristics to gradually replace metallurgical coke, and widely used in the production of calcium carbide, ferrosilicon, silicon carbide, and other products, become a kind of irreplaceable carbon material. Orchid carbon ball press can be used to press pulverized coal, iron powder, coke coal, aluminium powder, iron filings, iron oxide, carbon powder, charcoal powder, slag, gypsum, tailings, sludge, kaolin, activated carbon, coke powder and other powder, waste slag, widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries. By pressing the ball mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy transportation, improve the utilization rate of waste, with good economic and social benefits.